everyone, this is Manpreet from Kayak Talks. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to answer your all queries regarding German studies, German PR, German jobs, anything you want to know regarding German. If you plan your future from Germany, then write down your query in the comment box. Then according to your qualification, I'm here to guide you that you are eligible for German studies or not. If yes, then you are eligible for public universities or not. If yes, then how is it possible? So one by one, write your query in the comment box so that I can clear all doubts. I'm trying my best to clear all doubts. Hi Ritik, hi Pankaj, hi Neha, hi Suraj, hello Karan. Hello, hi dear, hi Neha. Ma'am, is there any scope of physiotherapy? Yes, physiotherapy is a great demand in Germany. Like as a nursing job, you also get easily physiotherapist job. Millions of vacancies, you can say that. If you done like GNM or BSc nursing, then you are eligible for nursing job in Germany. But in case of physiotherapist job, then there is a need of proper degree, proper graduation in physiotherapist. If you done bachelor's in physiotherapist, then yes, job market is good for you. And second requirement is German language. Also, with the along with the bachelor in physiotherapy, your language level up to B2 level, then you are easily get the jobs in German market, in German government hospitals as a physiotherapist, as a nursing profile. All depends on qualification, and parallelly there is a need of German language. When you complete B1 level, you are eligible to start job, and you are allowed to do B1 final set with your along with your jobs. After B1, your salary will be 2400 euros starting, and if you complete B2 level, then your initial starting salary will be around 3100 euros monthly. So if you learn German language, German market is very good for you. There's lots of queries. Can you please tell something about Ausbildung course? Yeah, Ausbildung course is possible. Like Ausbildung nursing is possible. The criteria eligibility required your 12th passing, and if you complete your 12th in any stream like medical, science stream, commerce stream, art stream, in all streams, any stream you complete your 12th and with 50% you score in your 12th, then you are eligible for this Ausbildung program. It's a vocational training program, it's a diploma program. So okay, you already listened my video on YouTube, so you want to know the more detail regarding this, fine. So yeah, you are eligible. There are a number of hospitals in Germany, but we have an option for nursing Ausbildung, and for 2 intakes, June and October. And this intake, this year, all seats are completely full, and now we already start registrations. How much gap is required if I am going for a job? If you are going for a job, then gap in the sense you can say that if you are already working here, then there is no gap. Like you complete your studies in 2010 and you have a total 10-year experience, good experience in the same field. You have a experience on paper, then your file is eligible for masters also. After doing master in Germany and also having German language certificates in your hand, then job market is good for you, then you easily get a job in Germany. And if you talk about like nursing profile, physiotherapist profile, then after completing graduation, if you are fresher, then still you are eligible to start the job. And if there is any gap, then you have to show proper that what you do in that gap, like you learn language or you do some other course or you work in a hospital, something. According to this, you can easily fill your gap. Hi Angel, Wizard Soldier. Okay. Can you please tell something about Ausbildung? I already explained, I guess. Okay, I guess I repeat the query. Ayurvedic treatment have scope in Germany? Little bit. You can say little bit. I already explained Ausbildung here. If you are not clear with this Ausbildung process, then join around 5 p.m. Zoom session. It's a one-to-one communication. You can communicate with me in this session, live session. So I want to know what exactly you want to know. That you again and again you're writing. You know more about. You want to know more about OS building. So I want to know the query properly clearly. So what exactly you want to know? Cybersecurity course, yes, possible in German universities. All courses are easily possible. It depends on what's you already done in bachelor's. If you want for masters, what you already done in 12th. If you want in the course design course in bachelor's. So it all depends on your background studies. According to that, you are eligible for this course, and all courses are in great demand in Germany. Okay, I am doing graduation in commerce and also pursuing company secretary course. And what kind of house building should I choose? In Germany, there are lots of house buildings, but we have option to guide students only for nursing house building profiles. So, what kind of house building should I choose? Only nursing house building. If you want to choose your stream, if you want to choose your profile, then. And if you are doing graduation in commerce, then I suggest go for a master's course there. After 2 years of master's, then job market is good for you. You get easily good quality of job according to your field. Like you are eligible for MBA kind courses, master in management. It's also very demandable course and easily available. If you entered in Germany with the help of German language and doing master management course, then after this course you easily get the job in companies of Germany. And there is no need to differentiate between the streams. Like after commerce, then you plan to move for nursing profile. Do we have an event management? Yes, of course, event management also possible in Germany. See, while you all are writing different things, I know that you all want to know that particularly regarding your own stream, that in Germany all courses are possible. Once you entered in Germany, once you get the offer letter from any university from Germany, when you start studying the country, that universities clear your all concepts, make you confident regarding your proper studies. Then when you are knowledgeable, then a lot of job opportunities for you. Lot of. Hi Deepak. Ma'am, I'm very good in mobile game. Then any course related in gaming, yeah. If you are 12th with commerce, then bachelor's in game design course is possible, and also possible in English language. If you are ready to do this English preparatory program, after this English preparatory program, this bachelor in game designing course possible in English language in public universities. If you complete your 12th and try to coordinate with it as soon as possible, we help you to how to log in file for this desired course in English language. His history course is assigned in art students in Germany. Yeah. Yes. According to your arts background, it's possible to do any bachelor's relating to your subjects. Like you choose your subject like history, like political science, like economics. Then yes, possible to do bachelor's in all these related courses. Can I stay in Germany after I complete study? Yeah, of course. When you complete your bachelor, then again 18 months post-study work permit visa is possible for you to search a job in whole Germany, in whole Europe. It's a Schengen visa. I do bachelor computer science and my percentage is 68. Okay. I am eligible for master in Germany. Yeah, of course you are eligible for masters in Germany because you are in University, and I suggest to plan to enter in Germany for your masters in German. Then job market good for you. An age criteria to study in Germany. Age criteria, like I'm not saying that around 40 years. If you say that I'm planning for this course, yeah. Below 40 easily possible, below 30 easily possible, and it all depends on your profile, how strong your profile. If you have very good experience from such a great companies, then if you having your study before 10 years and you have a good experience, then you are eligible to study, you are eligible to enter in Germany with the help of masters offer letter. Hi Sahil, how are you? Is studying in Germany really worth it as compared to other countries like US and Canada? Of course, dear. Germany also gives you a good education, top quality education, top ranked universities are there. It's not like that it's give you a free education, so its education is not like a good, it's nothing like that. It declares free education to attract the youngsters. They call the youngsters so that according to free education they attract more towards Germany, and they want that they study according to technology and help in country growth with this technology. Only the point is that. Hi Kriti. Ma'am, my 12th percentage is 60. Then I do food technology in Germany. Of course, in bachelor's English taught also possible and German taught also possible. For English taught there is a need of English preparatory program, and for German taught there is a need of German taught student week program. I guess you all are aware that in India after 12th you are eligible to enter in universities, colleges, but in Germany there is a need of 13-year education. So after 13-year education you are allowed to enter in German public universities for your further studies. And this 13-year education is called a Studienkolleg program in German education system. And yes, part-time job also possible during Studienkolleg program. Ma'am, I am good in photography and my 12th percentage is 70. Then, yeah, photo engineering also possible there. See, courses are depend according to your background academics. If you study related courses in your 12th, then according to that bachelor's courses are possible. If you study the bachelor's courses with this subject, then according to that related courses, master's courses possible. If you want to change the stream like T course and W course, shuffling possible, but only with the English preparatory program with the help of student week only. So it's kind of a repetition of 12th class. Hi Nafish. Any more queries? If you anyone having more queries, then please write down your queries in the comment box. If no more queries, then please write down thank you ma'am, so that I wind up this session. Yeah, if you want to communicate with me regarding your profiles, you want to discuss with me your profile that you want a career counselor regarding your career. So it's possible to communicate with me. One-to-one sessions are possible in Zoom session. So daily 5 p.m. I am live at a Zoom sessions. For Zoom meeting link, DM me through Insta, through WhatsApp, from where you are comfortable. So according to that, in Zoom sessions I am live to communicate with you, know more about your profile and guide you that what is best for you. You are eligible or not, and if yes, then how is it possible to enter in German public university? How you make your file eligible for free education? When we get PR in Germany, if you are planning to enter in Germany for your bachelor's, then after completing studies, then there's a need of 2 years work in Germany on blue card, then your file is eligible for PR. Like you complete your master's, then do work on blue card for 2 years, then file is eligible for PR. Can I find a part-time job in Germany? How can I? Yes, of course, part-time job is possible, and you can easily earn. If you plan to enter in Germany with the help of German language, then yes, part-time jobs are possible. And after city registration, only you are eligible for this. The country allow you to do part-time job there. Entry visa from the Germany always sometimes it's for 3 months or for 6 months. So either you plan to visit Germany, or either you plan to like on a language visa, like on a bachelor's MBBS 6 years visa. If I did plan for a 2 years master's, I did plan for a job seeker visa. German embassy always give you a 3 months or maximum 6 months entry visa. Hi Sangeeta, how are you dear? Thank you for lovely hearts. Whenever we guide anyone and when you guys trust on us that yes, okay, we are happy with your services, then it raises our confidence. So thank you for your love. Ma'am, is German language difficult? No. German language seriously not difficult. Only the requirement of motivation to start the German language. Once you start the German language, you easily convert it into its language. Yes, your hard work is required, and our language teachers' hard work is also required. So when you start language classes slowly, so it takes time, but slowly and slowly conversion is possible. And this is I am only saying because of my practical experience of from my students. They easily speak German language once they reach Germany. They easily communicate with German natives. We always help you not to just showing the certificates of language. We always try to feed language in our students. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, dear. Thank you always. So I guess I clear all doubts, sessions. If still anyone having more questions, then have more queries, then daily at 4 p.m. I'm live at Insta Monday to Saturday and 5 p.m. at Zoom. If you want to communicate with me, join my live Zoom sessions. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.